My name is Eric Patch. I'm an environmental technician for Casella Waste. They call me the foam whisperer, actually, yeah. I manage this PFAS removal machine, anywhere from all the maintenance to the cleaning, making sure parts are inventoried, the whole nine. This is basically my sanctuary here.
The PFAS problem is part of our society. It passively comes to us through the waste materials we uptake every day.
These PFAS compounds that are considered harmful to health at certain levels. So as the water comes through the waste, we can bring it to a facility like this. There's no other treatment that goes on in this building except for PFAS. That is all we're looking to do is to remove it.
Those little magnets on the inside of the LIT rail.
Without him, we couldn't run the facility, right? We needed an Eric in that facility. He does his job right, it protects the environment. He's got to do it safely, obviously. He's got to do it in a way that meets all of our long list of compliance requirements. So it is a really important job.
Over the years, I just did a lot of maintenance mechanical work, which played a lot into this system. I started out about 12 years ago, Casella's truck shop in Montpelier, third shift truck mechanic. I went on from there to the recycling world, working at the recycling plants. I did a lot of work for Casella on their balers and conveyors and such, and it's been fantastic.
We didn't give him a technology that was the easiest to run or that everybody kind of knew how to run. But he came from a background in technology where material recovery facilities where there's a lot of different technologies, and he embraced it.
I'm a very hands-on adaptive learner, and I believe we were the first in America on a landfill for one of these systems. So it was brand new for all of us involved. It's a big task, and it's important that we do this and take care of the environment. If we don't, who's going to?
It's a very unique skill, and it's very important. It's one of those skills that will suit him well for the rest of his career.
I've been in every inch of this machine. I mean, there isn't a corner in there I haven't crawled, I can assure you. And it has its challenging days, but at the same time, once you're done and successfully maintaining the machine and it's running correctly, it's a good feeling.